Какая фирма? Ну, тут непонятно, какая фирма. Автоград. Русский machine. It's a Russian car. Yes?
Yes.
Russian car. Let me see. Ooh, it's a concrete car.
Concrete car.
Автоград. Okay, let's open it. Whoop! So fast. Let me see. Ooh, let me see. Doors? Can we open some doors? Up. No. Door. No chance to open doors.
Let me see.
We can change the angle, yeah? We can turn left. We can turn right. It spins, yeah? Yeah, spin round. Doors are not opening. No. Oh, wait. Moves this way, no? Yeah. Look. Boom. Okay, what we have here? Let me see. Age restriction from 3 years and up. They have a collection of 2 cars, concrete, and some truck. Who manufactured this? Kazakhstan. Metal, plastic, 2022, release date. Made in China. It's made in China. Так, made in China. The importer company is from Yekaterinburg, Sverdlovska Oblast. Yara. Okay, nothing special. This kind of picture inside, some factory, and that's it. Nothing special. Metal, plastic. Leon, we have some sound. So underneath it was a protection to connect the battery. So now we have you press on the left side of the car and it's changing the sound. So subscribe to our channel, press like. We have different kind of cars. Hot Wheels, some construction cars, heavy trucks, bikes, and the other stuff. See you guys!